As usual, we're trading NASDAQ. I already know that the market is gonna go up, reason being the news has been released and it says the stock futures fall. When the stock futures fall, or maybe futures fall, it means that NASDAQ is gonna buy, because the futures does the opposite of NASDAQ, whether it's NASDAQ futures or stock futures. So let me take some more buys on NASDAQ, decrease my lot size, because I already know that the market is gonna go up today. So we're buying NASDAQ. Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Some more buys, yeah. I've leveraged my whole account. Let's just wait and see what the market is gonna give us today. But I'm positive about this buy on NASDAQ. Yes sir. It's red, everything is red. NASDAQ futures is red, S&P 500 futures, and Dow Jones, meaning NASDAQ is gonna shoot up. It's gonna shoot up today. Yesterday I made a loss, so I'm trying to recover from the loss that I made yesterday. I actually blew my account, but today I'm recovering. Yes sir. As usual, Bafetsu. I'm expecting the market to shoot all the way to probably 1,800, 1,000, what's this, 16,000. I'm expecting the market to shoot all the way to 16,000. So I'm positive. I'll just pause this video and then I'm gonna come back.